car or goat. Picture this. You are on a game show. 3 doors in front of you. Behind one is a shiny car and behind of other 2 goats. You pick one door, say this. The chance you hit the car right away is 1 out of 3. Now, the host, who knows exactly where the car is, opens one of other doors, always revealing a goat. That moves isn't random. It's pure information. Now, 2 doors are left, yours and other. If your first pick was right, 1/3 chance, switching is bad. But if your first choice was wrong, 2/3 chance, the host just showed you a goat, which means the remaining door must hide the car. In other words, switching doubles your chance. So no, it's not 50-50. Switching wins 2/3 of times. I switch them and yes, I win. Let's blow it up. Imagine 100 doors. You pick one. The host opens 98 goat doors. You're left with your first choice, 1% chance, or the one door left standing, 99% chance. Which one do you go for? I'm switching, no question. This trick only works if the host actually knows where the car is. Always opens exactly 1 goat door and always offers you chance to switch. If the host picks a door at random and just happens to show a goat, then the odds drift back toward 50-50.